Good afternoon, friends. Today, I will discuss binding nature of orders passed under Article 142 of the Constitution of India. Orders passed under Article 142 are binding on all courts and authorities in India. Honorable Supreme Court can issue directions that have the force of law under this article. These orders can transcend traditional legal remedies. The power extends to providing relief beyond what is strictly prescribed in existing statutes. Friends, there is one case that is Visakha versus State of Rajasthan, 1997. Honorable Supreme Court issued directions by using Article 142 to provide guidelines for preventing sexual harassment at workplace. In the absence of specific legislation, the court created comprehensive guidelines. These guidelines became a de facto law until the formal sexual harassment of women at workplace was passed in 2013. The court effectively filled a legislative gap to protect women's rights. Second case is MC Mehta versus Union of India, popularly known as Oleum gas leak case of 1987. In this case, the court used Article 142 to develop the principles of absolute liability for hazardous industries, expanded the scope of environmental justice and corporate responsibility, provided compensation to victims of the oleum gas leak in Delhi, created a new legal standard for industrial safety and environmental protection. So friends, these examples demonstrate how Article 142 empowers the Supreme Court to transcend traditional legal boundaries, ensuring justice is not just procedurally correct, but substantially meaningful. The provision reflects the Constitution's commitment to a dynamic and responsive judicial system that can adapt to complex societal challenges. The power under Article 142 is a unique constitutional mechanism that allows the Supreme Court to act as guardian of justice, capable of providing holistic remedies that go beyond the limitations of existing legal framework. So this is short video. Enjoy video. Have a good day.